Top 6 breakfasts every diabetic must try. Struggling to find the perfect breakfast that won't spike your blood sugar? You're not alone. Many common breakfasts are loaded with carbs and sugars, making diabetes management harder. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're revealing 6 low-carb, blood sugar-friendly breakfasts that are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you energized and in control. Let's dive in. 1. Scrambled eggs with avocado and spinach. Eggs are one of the best foods for diabetics, packed with protein and virtually zero carbs. Adding spinach gives you fiber and essential vitamins, while avocado provides healthy fats to keep you full longer and stabilize blood sugar. Tip: cook eggs in olive oil or butter for added healthy fats. 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is low in carbs and high in protein, which helps slow down sugar absorption. Adding berries gives you antioxidants, while chia seeds provide fiber and omega-3s to support heart health and blood sugar stability. Tip: always choose unsweetened Greek yogurt and add cinnamon for extra glucose control. 3. Veggie omelette with cheese and mushrooms. An omelette is a fantastic low-carb, high-protein breakfast. Mushrooms and bell peppers add fiber and essential nutrients, while cheese gives a satisfying flavor and helps keep you full. Tip: use full-fat cheese and add a sprinkle of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. 4. Chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are a diabetic superfood. They absorb liquid and form a pudding-like texture, providing fiber and omega-3s that help regulate blood sugar. Mix them with unsweetened almond milk and let them soak overnight for an easy, delicious breakfast. Tip: sweeten naturally with stevia or vanilla extract instead of sugar. 5. Low-carb smoothie. Most smoothies are packed with sugar, but here's a blood sugar-friendly version: blend spinach, avocado, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. This smoothie is low in carbs, high in fiber, and keeps your energy steady. Tip: add chia or flax seeds for an extra fiber boost. 6. Oatmeal with nuts. Oats provide soluble fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar. But here's the trick: always pair them with protein and healthy fats, like nuts, seeds, and eggs, to keep glucose levels steady. Tip: stick to steel-cut or rolled oats and avoid instant packets with added sugars. And there you have it! 6 diabetes-friendly breakfasts that are low in carbs, high in nutrients, and designed to keep your blood sugar stable. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. See you in the next video.